Welcome to Royal News. In what was supposed to be a victorious return to the public eye for Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, the Duke and Duchess of Sussex are discovering themselves under intense inspection and going through backlash after a series of disagreement public outings. As stated by an insider, the couple's endeavor for coming back has not only fallen flat but has left them biting from the condemnation. The first occurrence in question was Harry's looks at Hollywood's Living Legends of Aviation Awards earlier this month. While such glitzy protocols are usually a platform for personalities to bask in the limelight, Harry's character allegedly left his team, holding heads in hands. Attendees were taken aback by the Duke's unanticipated quip about King Charles, particularly considering the monarch's ongoing health battle. The conflict's comment, made at a time when the royal family is struggling with health issues within its ranks, was regarded by many as in poor taste. King Charles, undertaking treatment for an increased prostate, now had to debate with a public jab from his own family member. Meghan Markle, perhaps visualizing conceivable fallout, wisely chose to take a next step to the Living Legends of Aviation Awards. Instead, she remained at home to care for one of their children who had fallen ill. However, her omission did not shield the couple from criticism as they went through a barrage of negative headlines. As reported by Mirror, just few days later, the Sussexes rush off to Jamaica for the premiere of a new Bob Marley film, where they once again discovered themselves at the circle of conflicts. The couple lifted eyebrows by snugging up to the Jamaican Prime Minister, who has openly revealed a desire for the country to sever ties with the monarchy. Thanks for listening.